Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Crafting, and today what I'm going to do is try to make 3 wise men out of these pine cones. Now, I don't know what it is about pine cones, they always make me feel quite Christmassy. I've got a pattern here that I've been messing around with and drawing until I kind of feel happy with it. And this is going to be just a pattern for a cloak, and that cloak is going, hopefully, once I've cut all the pieces out and glued them together, going to sit round the wise men like this. Now, I don't want it to look like a Dalek, and at the moment it looks a bit Dalek-ified, and because of the way it's coming around. I'm going to try to use some of this glitter foam for the cape. So once I've got my other pattern together, I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to glue it together like this and then cut it all out in one go and then try and mould it around one of these. Well, I've cut this one out using the foam and it does go around there really nicely, and it doesn't make it look too much like one of Doctor Who's Daleks. I'm going to cut some trim bits out to put around this and then some arms as well to glue on it. And how I'm going to do that is by choosing some quite clashing colours, I think. Now all I need to do is draw around that, trying to keep the same distance all the way around so it's the same thickness. Yeah, that'll do. Cut that out and glue it on there, but I also need to do the 2 sides as well because they're really, really important. I want it to make sure when I've got the trim on it and this top bit. So I'm going to go around and cut these all out, and I'll show you how I'm going to glue these all on. Well, I've cut my edging bits out now, so all I need to do is stick those on. I'm just going to use glue gun for this because I love my glue gun. And I'm going to go around and make sure I meet my edges up nicely. And then put on the side ones in exactly the same method and the top ones as well. And now all I want to do is put a little bit of glue there to hold this kind of upright on my work surface until I put the cape around it. And then the cape should keep it in place. And now what I can do is put the cape around the piece like this. And now go in with my glue gun and glue that onto there. I've got my 3 capes now put on my pine cones, and I've done them in different colours. As you can see, they're starting to look, I think, quite cute. And they don't look too Dalek-y, but they do need arms. So all I've done is I cut out a little pattern in the shape of an arm, and I'm going to put some arms on there, like that. So they look like they are holding a present or a gift or something. And that is what I'm going to make as well, to put in their hands, a little present in each one of them. And I will just glue these on using my hot glue gun. But when I glue these on, I'm going to kind of pucker them up a little bit so they look a little bit more 3-dimensional rather than just flat on there. Well, I've made the little prezzies and I've put the arms on, and I've just got to do the heads now. And I've got these little small white pom-poms, and I quite like them. But they're not big enough for what I want. So I'm gluing 4 of them together like this. And that is what I'm going to use for the heads. And I think they sit on there quite cute for the head size. There we go, like that. And I'm also going to make some little hats as well for them to have on top of their heads. And all I'm going to use for that is I've got this felt material, and it's similar sort of colours to the foam that I made here. So I'm just going to make some little hats out of this, or some little turbans, and then pop on their heads. And then I shall draw in some eyes and a nose and a little face on there as well. All I'm going to use is some thin strips. So I've got some felt here that is the same colour as one of the robes, and I'm just going to cut a thin strip off this. If ever I find the knife. And then I'm going to use this on here and make a hat. Now, it may take a couple of strips, or it may only take one. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to roll it round till I'm happy with how it looks. Well, this is all finished now, and I've cut out the bits for the eyes and nose. So all I need to do is stick these on. Now, I've cut these out of vinyl, but if you don't have vinyl, then you could draw these on with a pen or something. And all I've done is a little smile to put on there. This is sticky vinyl, so this should stay on there. 2 little dots for eyes. And a little diamond for the nose. And I think that comes out quite cute. And all this just makes it look like a nice beard, I think, of the wise men. And then I'm going to glue around the bit here and stick that on. And there we go. My 3 wise men are all finished. So here's the one that we've been working on. And there are the other 2, all carrying gifts. Oh, I'm really pleased. I think they've come out really, really cute. They were so easy to make. Just a little bit of glitter foam and some pine cones and some little white pom-poms. Let me know what you think of those in the comments below. I'd be really interested to see what you think. We 3 kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we travel so far. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please boop that like button if you've enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee just to say thank you for the projects that I've been doing and help support this channel, the link for that is in the description below. Take care, enjoy your crafting. I am so looking forward to Christmas. It's going to be full of glitter this year, my house. Bye.